Hi, this is Fizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to write curved text in Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Microsoft Word is widely used word processing software developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create, edit, format, and share documents like letters, reports, resumes, and research papers. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, and mobile device and the web. So there are many ways to make stand out. Um, in your document. You can format the font in bold or italic or highlight the text using color. So what if you want to write curved text on your Microsoft Word? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Microsoft Word. So in Microsoft Word, you can just type on the text, type text that you want to turn into curve. For example, text in Microsoft Word. Okay, now I want to make this text into curve. You can just block the text. After that, you can go to insert. From insert, you can select on word art. You can just choose on the style that you want to use. For example, I will use this style, I think. Now, you can select on the text. After that, you can go to text effect. Now you can choose on transform. From transform on the follow path, you can choose the style, which one that you want to use because we want to make this text into a curve. Of course, you can just choose on curve, arch, or maybe this, arch down or arch like this, or maybe you can choose there's like so many style that you can uh, use in here. And for example, now you can just adjust maybe like this. After that, now you have done. So this is how you create, how you write curved text on Microsoft Word. It's very simple, right? So that is how to write curved text in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!